This is Kräri with a piece of a dog activity poker box. I weighted the bottom plate with a stone to prevent it from slipping when Kräri pecks at it. As always, the first thing he does is to check if the environment is safe. One of my two cats might be lurking somewhere. Then he leaves, but he comes back after a few minutes. You are not a woodpecker, Kräri. And another try. Now he is just practicing. He even lets the treat sit inside for a while. If you have enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share.